I've always loved to hike, ever since I was a kid. My dad used to take me up into the mountains, but now I take him up. My love of nature has grown steadily throughout the years, and I find myself longing for something more. I started off wanting to do my part to help and protect these ecosystems that I so love to visit. But over time, I found that there's something more important than just planting trees. The environment matters, but so do people. Today, more than ever before, humanity finds itself in the midst of unprecedented issues, often of national or global scale. From the impending threats of water and food scarcity, desertification of land, and flooding coastal cities, to the societal restraint of minority individuals, broadening income equality, and an exponential population increase, the fact of the matter is, we can't ignore it, but we also can't act alone. The participation of the entire planet is required in all these endeavors, but before we even start on any of these problems, we all have to get on the same page, or at least to the point where we understand each other and our differences. To this end, the advancement of education about sustainable practices within developing countries, and specifically aimed at helping women and children, should be of utmost priority if we are to succeed in our efforts of uniting the world against destroying ourselves. Education is the solid foundation through which individuals and communities can use to not only prosper, but contribute to our societies and global communities' problems. Educated children, especially girls, can expect higher wages and less social barriers, which in turn fuels economic growth. They can have a greater capacity to lead, understand, and manage situations in an ever-changing world, and participate in our quest to make the world sustainable for the billions of people that call it home.